When it comes to luxury lipsticks, Givenchy is a brand that never compromises on elegance or performance. And today we're diving into their Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick in the shade N333 L'Interdit. This product is designed for those who want to feel pampered with a sophisticated silky application while achieving that perfect semi-matte finish. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Let's find out. The Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick boasts a unique, modern texture that promises to glide effortlessly onto your lips, delivering a luminous, semi-matte finish. The claim is that it leaves your lips instantly smooth while locking in hydration for up to 24 hours. Now, those are some bold claims for a lipstick, but we're here to see if it holds up. As for the texture, right off the bat, the application is as smooth as silk. The lipstick glides across the lips without any tugging, making it feel like a treat to apply. And it does indeed offer a luminous, semi-matte finish that feels comfortable, not overly dry like some other matte formulas. I tried this on several occasions, during the day when I was out running errands, and in the evening for a more formal event. I was pleasantly surprised to find that it maintained its smoothness throughout both scenarios, giving my lips that healthy, plump look without needing to reapply frequently. Now I want to talk about the hydration. The formula claims to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours. And while it doesn't last that long in terms of consistent moisture, the lipstick does keep my lips feeling soft for a few hours, especially in contrast to other matte finishes that tend to dry out my lips. A touch-up after a few hours isn't a deal breaker though, as this formula isn't meant to be a long-wear transfer-proof product. If you're looking for something that feels good as you wear it, this definitely hits the mark. The shade N333 L'Interdit is a rich, deep red that feels timeless yet bold. The color payoff is excellent, with one swipe offering full coverage. It's a versatile shade that complements a wide range of skin tones, making it a great go-to for both everyday wear or evening glam. The finish is not overly matte, so it has a soft, luminous effect that keeps your lips from looking flat. When it comes to the pros, this lipstick excels in its application and finish. The smooth glide, comfortable texture, and luminous semi-matte look all make it a luxurious product to use. It's also great for those with dry lips or anyone who prefers a more hydrating matte option. On the flip side, there are a few cons worth noting. While the hydration lasts for a few hours, it doesn't live up to the full 24-hour claim, especially when eating or drinking. Also, the price point may be a bit steep considering that many lipsticks offer similar finishes for less money. Is the Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick worth its premium price? If you're someone who loves luxury beauty products and is willing to splurge for a formula that delivers comfort, a flattering semi-matte finish, and a sophisticated feel, then this lipstick definitely brings the luxury experience to your lips. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore similar formulas at a lower price point. When compared to other high-end lipsticks, such as those from Tom Ford or Chanel, this Givenchy option holds its own. The formula might not have the longevity of a long-wear liquid lipstick, but it certainly gives you that luxurious feel and smooth finish without the dryness. In terms of build quality, the packaging is beautiful, as you would expect from Givenchy, with a sleek, modern design that makes this lipstick feel like a real treat. It's sturdy and feels high-end, perfect for display on your vanity or slipping into your handbag for an elegant touch-up. As for the brand's customer support, I've not needed to reach out personally, but Givenchy has a reputation for excellent service, and their customer feedback is generally positive. For those who love this formula but are concerned about the price, alternatives like MAC's Satin Lipstick or Charlotte Tilbury's Matte Revolution Lipstick may offer a similar smooth finish at a more affordable cost, though each will have slightly different characteristics when it comes to texture and wear. To sum it up, the Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick in N333 L'Interdit offers a smooth, luxurious formula that's perfect for anyone looking for a sophisticated, hydrating, semi-matte lip. It lives up to the promise of a silky texture and long-lasting comfort. But if you're on a budget or looking for something that offers more hydration throughout the day, there are alternatives available. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.